Hello, everyone. I'm Helen Panza, your instructor for Business 105. I will be your instructor for the next 8 weeks, and we are going to have a fun journey into the world of business. You've made a great decision to attend Bryan University and take this class and get started on your educational journey. We learn in many different ways here at Bryan University. One is through our Learn It, where you'll learn new terminology, new ideas, and concepts. The second way is through your book. Your book will support your Learn It's. Read the chapters, make sure you have access to bookshelf. Another way we learn at Bryan University is through Yellow Dig, which is our community forum. I'll be posting topics every week for you to discuss, talk about, give your opinions on, and maybe even an assignment or two through that medium. The fourth way we learn at Bryan University is through our live sessions. That's where you and I will meet together as a class in a Zoom meeting 4 times this term. We'll begin on January 31st. Check your class. On the left side, there's a link called Web Meetings that has the link to our meeting, the times, and the dates. There's 4 of them every other week. You will also be given assignments in your course. They're not every week, but they're often, so you need to plan for them. We'll be discussing ways to plan, ways to make sure you maintain a growth mindset, open to opportunities, open to different ways of learning, and I will be there to help you all along the way. An important thing to remember is that if you have questions, look in your course for my SMS text number, send me a message, I will respond quickly, or send me an inbox message through the course. I will also respond quickly that way. We are going to have a fun journey together, and I really look forward to seeing you on the 31st for the first time.